Welcome to our video. Today, we'll be showing you how to make 3D paving bricks using plastic molds. We'll walk you through the entire process. We begin by measuring our materials using a bucket and a paving mold as our measuring tool. One full paving mold is equal to 1 part. For this mix, we're using 3 parts of river sand. River sand provides the right fine texture needed for strong paving bricks. Next, we add 2 parts of concrete stones, which we again measure using the same paving mold. Concrete stones are essential for adding strength and durability to the paving bricks. Using the mold as a measuring tool ensures that all our parts are consistent and balanced, which is key for producing high-quality bricks. Now, we add 1 part cement to the mix, measured the same way using the paving mold. Cement is what binds everything together, and accurate measurement is crucial to get the best result. Now, we add 1 part cement to the mix, measured the same way using the paving mold. Cement is what binds everything together, and accurate measurement is crucial to get the best result. Now let's add everything in the same bucket. Once all the dry ingredients are in, we start mixing them together to ensure everything is well blended. This step helps distribute the cement evenly across the aggregates, which is critical for the strength of the final product. Now, we gradually add water to the mix. Once the mix is ready, we add the oxide. You can add oxide to the prepared mix, but for this video, we're mixing it separately to ensure consistency and color. We're using orange oxide to give our paving bricks a bright, vibrant finish. We blend the oxide with the mix until the color is evenly distributed. Before we continue, remember that the mold has already been brushed with a release agent. This helps make demolding the bricks easier once they've set. Now, we add the oxide mix material into the 3D paving mold, making sure it fills all the cavities evenly. This step is crucial for ensuring that the final bricks come out with smooth surfaces and sharp details. Once the oxide mix is in, we move on to adding the remaining pre-mixed concrete on top of the oxide layer. This creates a strong base and ensures the color stays vibrant on the surface. After filling the mold completely, we tap it lightly against the drum we're using as a table. This simulates the action of a vibrating table, helping the mix settle and removing any air pockets. For the best results, using an actual vibrating table is recommended. And then we let the bricks cure. Curing is a critical process that strengthens the bricks. We recommend letting the bricks sit for at least 24 hours before demolding them. Once demolded, the bricks should continue curing for at least 7 days. During this period, keep the bricks in a cool, shaded area and mist them regularly with water to prevent them from cracking and ensure they reach full strength. To see how our 3D paving bricks turn out, make sure to subscribe and check out our next video where we'll reveal the finished product. For more information on our products, visit www.tlstore.co.za.